Let's talk about prescription deliveries. I'm not a huge fan. So you go on Shipt, you do your 30. I don't know if you have to get your 30 first or if you can go ahead and automatically start by taking the tests and then driving for the prescriptions. But I waited until I got my 30 and then I took the test to start driving prescriptions. Like I said, not a big fan. They all start at $5 to $7. That's what they estimate your delivery is going to be. And they don't accept tips for the CVS prescription deliveries. They're just not worth it. Now, there are a couple of ways that they do become somewhat worth it. And this is what a lot of people I can see on the app are doing. They'll wait until the promo, they'll wait until the very last second of when that delivery is supposed to go to the customer, and then it'll be like $17 to $19 for that same delivery. Then it's worth it. If you're making $17 to $19 for the prescription delivery, then it's worth it. The other way it's somewhat worth it is if you have, in my case, I'm lucky. I have a Target that has a CVS as their pharmacy. So, like what I'm doing right now, I'm headed over to Target to get a customer's groceries, but I also picked up a pharmacy delivery at the same time. So, you know, I'm there making a few bucks on the groceries, and then I snag another $5 to $7 from the pharmacy delivery. You know, I don't go out of my way anymore to get the pharmacy deliveries. Because like I said, they're just not worth it. The other thing is that Shipt needs to be way more aggressive when it comes to collecting tips for us, because a lot of people don't. And like I said, with the CVS prescription pickup, they don't even give the customer the option for tips, from what I understand. And I don't know if that's going to change, but I mean, the delivery tip is just ridiculous. I drive for a couple other apps, and I know that for weeks out, and I'm talking like 2 weeks out, I'll still be receiving tips. This one, you get 50% or less give tip. Now, not to say that some of them aren't awesome, because there are a couple of customers I've made $45 tips. Last night I made a $7 tip, an $11 tip, a couple $5 tips. I mean, they're pretty good, but Shipt needs to be a lot more aggressive when it comes to, you know, requiring tips. Okay, let's run through an RX delivery on the app real quick. What you're going to do is go into the customer's information. When you get to the store, go ahead and hit the Arrived at Store button. And then when you pick up the prescription, go ahead and hit the Mark as Picked Up button. Then you're going to deliver it to the customer and ask for their signature. They're going to scribble their signature there on the line and hit Accept. The last thing you're going to have to do after it's been signed is mark it as delivered. And then you're all set.